All right, this is the third and final part of just setting up your entity, which is getting your business banking account. You want to make sure that you have a convenient bank and one that offers some personalized service for your business. You want to be able to pick up the phone and call a banker, ask questions, things of that nature. Also, it's very important. You do not want to commingle your business and personal expenses. So now that your entity is established, every single expense that is a business expense is going to be against your business bank account. And the reason for this is very important. The more you commingle personal and business expenses, it will give an opportunity, should you ever be sued, for somebody to pierce the corporate veil and come after your personal assets. So in other words, when you're using your personal finances for business, it gives an opportunity, if you're ever sued, which is unlikely, but you want to protect yourself, for somebody to say, well, wait a second, they've been using their personal finances with their business. So we can clearly make a case that we can go after their personal assets, and bank accounts. So you want to make sure that that doesn't happen. Just thinking ahead, under the same token, as you scale your business, you can do it any number of ways. I believe at the height of my business, I had 18 medical clinics. Every medical clinic had its own LLC and its own bank account. And the reason for that is if you have separate LLCs and separate bank accounts and somebody sues you in this one location, it makes it difficult for them to come after the entire group of clinics. They can come after just the one because having separate LLCs adds some layer of protection, although it also adds complexity. So we'll get to that as you scale. For now, let's focus on your first clinic, and you'll want to set up your bank account. I recommend, if possible, that you start with your business checking account, and you also inquire immediately about a business line of credit. Not necessarily that you're going to use it now, but it's a great thing to have, so that as you scale and you decide to add revenue streams, you'll have some access to funds if you need it for purchasing equipment and things of that nature and expansion. So we are going to set up your business account, and then you're going to use that for everything moving forward. You're also going to set up a business credit card. I will have some that I'll recommend to you. And in doing so, yes, there will be, some sort of referral for me, but it's an equal referral for you. And so I suggest that it's something to do so that you also get that cash instead of just applying for a credit card out of the blue. I always recommend cash reward cards. I can tell you that when you're getting 2% back of everything you spend in business, at the end of the year, it generally tends to be a very nice bit of cash that's helping to go towards your business and generate some extra income for the company. Also, you're going to want to get business, and I always recommend an umbrella policy just to protect your assets, again, so that just in case, I'm a big believer in protecting yourself, insuring yourself, never needing it, but making sure you have it if you do need it. So we're going to get a business policy and an umbrella policy. And then we're going to table this for now as you set up the company, because it really depends on your entity in and of itself. But we are going to have to talk about malpractice insurance at some point. So as we go through this process and you are getting ready, we're going to talk about malpractice, and I will introduce you to some companies to provide quotes for that if that is what is the right action for you.